It all stops now!
Don't touch that button! Dipper, just back away! Please don't press that shutdown button. You gotta trust me.
And I should trust you why? After you stole radioactive waste? After you lied to us all summer? I don't even know who you are!
If you just let me explain. Oh no, brace yourselves!
Go! Mabel, press the red button! Shut it down!
No, you can't! You gotta trust me!
Uncle Stan, I don't even know if you're my uncle. I want to believe you, but...
Then listen to me. I wanted to say that you're gonna hear some bad things about me, and some of them are true.
Sorry to break it to you kids, but you don't know your uncle at all.
But trust me, everything I've worked for, everything I care about, I gotta be there when it happens. It's all for this family.
Mabel, what if he's lying? This thing could destroy the universe! Listen to your head!
Look into my eyes, Mabel. You really think I'm a bad guy?
He's lying! Shut it down now!
Mabel, please!
Dad, no. That's just great, Uncle.
The greatest uncle!
Uncle